Yo, Boston.
Look at Cowboys, man. The Cowboys were right here for fuck's sake. I got nothing to smoke in the morning. I feel there's nothing that they fucking put up to